Imagine the ability to learn self-hypnosis and to finally take charge of your stress and anxiety for good. Hello, this is Mark from Newcastle Hypnotherapy, and we teach people to use self-hypnosis to help with anxiety and stress. Self-hypnosis is extremely powerful, and we find tremendous results when we use it to help people with stress and anxiety problems. Once you learn to use these techniques, you can very quickly reduce your levels of stress and anxiety to a level that is comfortable for you. With further practice, you can eliminate stress and anxiety altogether and replace those feelings with a feeling of being calm, relaxed, and totally in control. Just some of the things you will love about learning self-hypnosis skills is the ability to relax deeply, anytime, anywhere. To increase your focus and concentration. To control bad habits and behavior. To improve your sleep routine. And to nicely handle problems and challenges better throughout the day, staying relaxed and in control. By now, you will realize this self-hypnosis workshop will teach you some powerful skills to help you to take control of your life, especially where anxiety and stress are concerned. To take the first steps and take control of your stress and anxiety today, you can secure your place by booking below. Alternatively, you can give us a call and we will be happy to speak to you to discuss what options are available to help you to take control of stress and anxiety. We look forward to hearing from you very soon.